elevators at the Embassy Suites, Boston, Logan Airport. It'll be a quick video. I filmed these before. But they did the floor over. It used to be carpet. And we're gonna go down to 8 because we're gonna do something special in this video. But I wanted to do a quick ride to the top. So we're gonna go down 2 floors to 8. And I'll show you why in a second. Got a thing on each side to select your floor. And that's the cabin. Now we're gonna come out here. There's your service elevator. So you have 2. Let's see if I can make it chime. There's the lanterns. I filmed both elevators when I was here last year, so. And guess what it looks like. Nice. But we're gonna come here to 816. And here we are. So again, this is the Embassy Suites in Boston, Logan Airport, and a quick room tour. I don't do room tours very often, but let's take a look. So this is the living room, and in here, over here we have a, like right when you come in the door, there's a table that has a sink, a refrigerator and microwave. Looks like some kind of cabinets. Let's take a look at the living room, then I'll show you these 2 doors here. Oops. Here, I'm going to put the camera down for 1 sec. Alright, here we go. So, on the left here, there's a couch, like a coffee table, chair, and some lamps. So we got 2 lamps, which are both on. Now let's come over here to the window. Now, these can be opened. Now you're hearing that wind. Ooh, it's windy today, so let's, oops, did not mean to bang it like that, but see, it's blowing the curtains. That wind is terrible. You can hear how screechy it is. Okay, let's lock the window again. And we'll get a view. Again, this is room 816, so we're up on the 8th floor. Yeah. Sorry about that. Quite nice. You can hear and sometimes see planes going through here. And I'll back up so you can kind of see. You see the curtains and the new curtains, I think, since I stayed here last. But okay, let's go back. Oh, and how could I forget your big TV on the wall across from the couch? So you can sit on the couch and watch that TV. Oh, and there's another lamp over there, so 3 lamps in here. Okay, go back around here, and let's take a look. I won't spend too much time in here, but here's the bathroom. It's dark in here, let me see. Now I'll show you in a sec, but, oh, here's the switch. There are 2 doors to the bathroom here, and I'll show you why that is in a minute. So let's just take a quick sink, nice toilet, loud toilet I must add, and tub and shower. Alright, let's come out. That's really everything there is to see. We'll go out the same door we came in. Now, that was the first door that you pass. The second one, next to this like table here. Oh, before I show you that, I suck at these. This is my first real room tour, I guess. You do have a table with a phone, and yeah, you got the phone and a table, so you could have a meal or a desk, or you could use it for whatever you want. Now, probably the most important part of a hotel is in here. The bedroom. And close the closet. Didn't see that when I tried to tighten this up a bit because the two of us staying here, but so we have the one king bed, which is currently not made, but it's there. Oh goodness, okay. Wrap this up kind of quickly. Okay. Next to the bed is a nice nightstand with a phone again. Apparently this one has less controls than the one in the living room. And then you have a lamp with 2 outlets on them. So if you're someone like me who likes to charge things by the bed, you'll be well accommodated. And take a walk over this way. And we have a TV here, but over here is another window. Take a view out here. Quite nice. And the other side of the bed, we have another nightstand, but this one has an alarm clock and another one of these lamps. Again, we have the navy blue curtains. Okay, so nice suite. I love this hotel. Now, for the last thing I'll show you. Remember I said the bathroom has 2 doors? Hello again. So there are 2 doors to the bathroom, so you can go in from the living room or the bedroom. And finally, there's a closet, which I know I saw a minute ago. But that's about it. That's a quick room tour. I'll just do a pan around the whole space from the door of the bedroom. There's a glance at your bedroom and the bathroom doors there. Go back out into the living room. And then we'll do a similar pan around here. God, that wind is annoying. Okay, so you got the door. The window and the TV and the chair by the window there. So, very comfortable suite at the Embassy Suites here in Boston, Mass. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you want to see the elevators in more depth, you can look at my video from last year, where that's the focus of it. But since they really haven't changed except for that flooring, which I did want to show, that's why we just took a brief look at the elevators. But I hope you've enjoyed this look at room 816 at the Embassy Suites Hotel in Boston. Thank you for watching, and see you later.